Good morning, everyone. Happy Sunday. Just get off at shorts. And I'm stopping by here at the farmer's market to look around. And before that, I would like to thank you for my new subscribers. Ava Nation Officials and Trip ni Jerry. Thank you. Mega love shout out sa inyo. And also, shout out for Ayla. Ila Queen. Kamusta kayo dyan lahat? Okay, so let's go inside and check it out what they have here in Farmer's Market. Oh, they got a lot of variety over here, guys, in Farmer's Market. All kind of vegetables like there they had onions, tomato, potatoes, and they had a white potato too. Sweet potato. And I think this store, I think it's a family business. I'm not really sure. So this is what I'm looking. Okra, frozen. Nakaka siya, guys. And then I like this lima beans. Masarap po siya, guys. Sa sinigang. So yan lang ano ko, guys. Plano na bilhin. Then I look around. Just looking all their veggies, yan. Guys, napabasa tayo doon. Sandali lang naman ako. Nag-pick up na ako, guys, ng frozen, yung lima beans. So, ayan, guys, ang nabili natin. Ayan. Kapag guys, 478. Ayan, masarap ito siya, guys. Ang pangalan pala niya, baby water beans. Guys, next, ayan, ang ating okra. Frozen. So, $3.70. Ayan, guys. Cut okra. Ano ko, guys, that's what I bought it there. They got so many, vegetables, but they're all expensive. I like the onion rings, ready to to cook, fried. $10 the whole bag. Let's go. Okay, so magre-ready tayo dahil meron tayong pupuntahan. Okay guys, I'm waiting for my friend. We're going to the park or like by the lake. So my daughter and Charlie, they went to the pumpkin patch. Yeah, they take, I think that's what they called it, pumpkin patch. They went over there and find pumpkin for him. Okay guys, we're here. We start walking already. And it's a beautiful place. In this area, this is my first time. Pero sa kabilang side guys, nakapunta na ako sa park. Tapos in the other side, pwede ka pala mag-walking. Hindi ko alam guys na may trail pala dito na pwede pala maglakad. So, ang sarap guys ng pakiramdam na naglalakad ka dito, tapos tumitingin ka sa mga trees, iba't ibang kulay ng mga leaves. Ayan. So beautiful. So, ayan guys. Walk with me. Okay guys, it's time to take a hot bath after walking. Good morning guys, happy Monday. Back to reality again. Watching my apo, my grandson. Anyway, pag naririnig yung sumigaw, maingay. So, anyway guys, meron lang akong ipapakita sa inyo. Tara! So, this is what we're gonna drink this morning. Ayan, guys. They call it carrot and orange with turmeric. Ayan. Binili ng anak ko sa sa Whole Foods. So, sabi niya subukan ko daw ito. I never tried this yet. And it says it's organic and immune refresher. Ayan, guys. So, inumin natin ngayong umaga. But I already drink coffee early this morning. And it's already 8:35. So, tikman natin ngayon to. And this is not a sponsor. I just showing it to you guys. Okay, guys. Cheers. Wow. Masarap siya, guys. It says with turmeric, pero parang hindi mo guys nalalasa yung turmeric. Orange carrot talaga ang yung lasa. Parang turmeric hindi mo masyado pero that's what it says over there. Guys, papunta tayo sa labas kasi my daughter just messaged me that she had a package na darating. So, punta tayo sa labas. Ito pala guys, kaya nilagyan ng anak ko ng nito para hindi ma-open ang apo ko. Kasi marunong na siya mag-unlock. Kasi easy lang siya guys, i-unlock. Tapos, bubuksan niya. So, nilagyan ito para hindi niya mabuksan. So, kahit ako nahirapan din ako nung nilagyan niya. Yan. So anyway, ayan, tayo sa labas. Dito ko na lang ilalagay para mamaya. Hindi ko alam kung anong laman ito. Yung maingay kong apo, ayan, makain. At saka also guys, ilagyan din ng anak ko ng ng tawag nito, yung pang safety para sa mga bata para hindi ma-turn yung yung gas stove kasi gas ito. So, yan nilagyan niya guys. So, kahit na nung iikot ka ng iikot, hindi niya hanggang na like he's trying to be smart na ma-press niya ito, then ma-open. Kasi na sa i-press mo to guys. Ayan. Tapos pwede mo na i-on ang stove. Kaya nilagyan ito para hindi niya kasi delikado rin guys eh. So, yan. And by the way, yan, pakita ko na rin sa inyo ang nilagay niya dyan kasi mag-Halloween na. Ang ating lunch for today, ayan guys, sinigang. Itong sinigang guys, galing ito sa manager ng anak ko. Dahil lang asawa daw is Filipina. So ayan, sinigang siya ng pork. At saka, to sa guys, yung salmon. Yan, yung salmon. Guys, salmon. So, sinlagyan niya ng radish. So, yan ang i-lunch natin. Yan yan sa akin na kainin ko. Yung kainin ko daw. Kumakain naman yung anak ko ng sinigang. So, ayan guys. So, ito lang ating kinuha. Ayan. Ang kinuha ko lang guys, isang yung isang pirasong salmon. Yata to sa yung, siguro yung sa belly ng salmon. Yep. And then, with okra, eggplant. So, papakin ko lang naman yan guys. Hindi na ako magkakanin. Yan guys, ipapakita ko sa inyo. Sure ko talaga na hindi talaga ako magkakanin. Baka, guys, baka tawag nito, baka iniisip nyo, baka sinasabi ko lang na hindi ako magkakanin. So talaga hindi ako magkakanin. Ito lang talaga kainin ko. Iwas muna sa kanin. Siguro magkakanin ako mamayang dinner. So, lunch, okay lang ito. So, magpapak lang. I miss ng okra. Okay guys, just eat my lunch. Nakikita nyo guys, lagi ako naka-sombrero kasi nilalamig ako kahit dito ako sa loob. And this is my favorite hat. I had this for, I believe guys, probably like close to 10 years. Tinago ko na tinago talaga to guys. Mayroon akong nitong gray, but I lost it. I don't know where did I drop it. Ako ninanayang ako pa naman. Binili ko to guys sa Forever 21. It's been a long time. So anyway, ang natira natin na natira natin sinigang. Ayan guys. Kung hindi kakainin ng anak ko, I'm gonna eat it later for dinner with rice. So titingnan natin kung kaya sinave ko yan sa kanya. Kasi siyempre sa kanya binigay. But she offered it to me that go ahead eat it. So, tingnan natin mamaya kung di kakainin. Yan na lang iulam ko mamayang dinner para hindi na ako magluluto. Next day, morning guys. It's raining. And yung package ng anak ko dumating. Yung TV stand. Ayan, sinassemble niya kaagad. O pagdating niya galing trabaho, inassemble niya guys. So, ayan. May bago kaming TV stand. Then, yung TV na yan is temporary only. Okay, so our weather is like this. So, I plan to make some turon. Kasi meron tayong banana, plantain na banana guys, na binili ng anak ko. At saka yung kamote. So, ayan ang natira. Okay guys, that's it for today. You all have a wonderful day, wonderful night. God bless us and see you later. Bye!